Have you ever wondered how farmers irrigate large fields? It's a world full of ingenuity and precision, where water is not just a necessity, but the lifeblood of the crops. Today, we dive into the fascinating world of irrigation, exploring different methods that farmers use to quench the thirst of their fields. First off, let us venture into the world of surface irrigation. This is the oldest form of irrigation, and it's still in use today, especially in regions with abundant water sources. Surface irrigation involves applying water directly to the soil surface from a channel located at the upper reach of the field. The water then flows over the field surface to the other end, nourishing the crops. One popular method of surface irrigation is furrow irrigation. Picture a field with long, narrow trenches or furrows running along the contour lines. Water flows down these furrows, soaking the soil and reaching the root zone of the crops. The simplicity and low costs of furrow irrigation make it a common choice among farmers. However, it requires a flat terrain and careful management to prevent waterlogging and soil erosion. Next, we have ring basin irrigation, a type of localized surface irrigation. Imagine a field divided into several small circular basins encircling a tree or a crop. Water fills these basins, seeping into the soil to reach the roots. Ring basin irrigation is highly efficient, reducing water loss due to evaporation or runoff. Yet, it needs a significant amount of labor to construct and maintain the basins. Then there's basin irrigation, another surface irrigation method. This method involves flooding an entire field with water, much like a temporary lake. Basin irrigation is particularly effective for rice cultivation, which requires a lot of water. However, it might not be suitable for crops that cannot tolerate excess water. Now let's delve beneath the surface, into the world of subsurface irrigation. As the name suggests, this method delivers water directly to the root zone, below the soil surface. It's like giving the crops a direct drink, bypassing the surface entirely. One such method is drip irrigation, where water drips slowly to the roots through a network of tubes, pipes, and emitters. It's a highly efficient method, minimizing water loss due to evaporation or runoff. It can also be automated, saving time and labor. However, the initial cost can be high, and the system may require regular maintenance to prevent clogging. Another subsurface method is the sub-irrigation system. Here, the water table is artificially raised to allow the crop roots to access water. It's like creating a hidden reservoir beneath the field. This method is particularly effective in areas with high water tables, but it requires precise control to prevent waterlogging. To sum up, each irrigation method has its strengths and weaknesses, and the choice depends on various factors such as the type of crop, soil characteristics, water availability, and economic considerations. Whether it's the age-old practice of surface irrigation or the high-tech approach of subsurface irrigation, each method plays a crucial role in nurturing the fields, ensuring that our food supply never runs dry. So, the next time you enjoy a hearty meal, remember the journey of water from source to soil, quenching the thirst of the crops that feed the world.